It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Hey guys.
Control that slippage with traction control.
What's up, Donnie?
Oh, hey guys. Hey, shut it down for me, please.
Looks like you got a traction control problem, buddy.
I'll go get the chains.
Is he serious?
I don't think so.
Nah, I'm just joshing you, man. As long as it's not sitting on the frame of the machine, we got a few things to get you up and running, man.
Okay.
So let's start with the first thing. Whoa! All right, the first thing you want to do is activate your front wheel assist.
Okay.
Turn on the automatic.
All right.
Increase your percentage to around 50%.
50%.
Did that fix the issue, my man?
No, I'm still spinning, man.
So I think it's on to the second solution.
So, I mean, right now what you can do, Donnie, is we can actually raise our augers, and this will get them up out of the way so that it creates a less resistance force against the screed, and that should get you moving.
Okay, I did it, and we're not moving.
You know what that means?
No.
On to step 3.
No. Oh, think I'm getting this.
All right, so now we're on to the final step. We want to go over screed assist. Turn it on in the main console here.
Okay.
And now we're gonna go inside the display, select screed.
Okay.
And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase that percentage until we start getting traction. So I'm gonna raise this up. I won't go over 60%. Why don't you go down there and make sure you can see the machine get traction. Here we go.
No. I'm definitely getting it.
Over here, buddy.
Oh.
Look at her, there she is. She's going on down the road.
Oh yeah, that's what I want to see. So 3 simple steps, right?
Yep.
All right, check for front wheel assist.
Uh-huh.
Raise up the augers.
That's right.
And then screed assist, right?
You got it.
Okay. Screed assist, can I leave it on all the time?
No, when you use screed assist to correct an issue, you're gonna wanna turn it on until the problem goes away. And once the problem goes away, you gotta shut it off. Super easy, barely an inconvenience.
I mean, look at that. We didn't even have to get the chains out.
Awesome, man. Are we done now?
Yeah.
Okay, because that popping around, man, I can't handle it anymore.
I don't know
I'm
why
done.
you complaining. It was easy for
I don't know
us.
what your problem is, bro.